In this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can open your Paysera account. Now to achieve this, you need to download the mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store. So search for Paysera and select Paysera Super App. Then select Get or Download Paysera Super App. Double click to install if you are using an iPhone. The installation may take just about a minute to complete. Once the download is complete, select Open and then select Create Account. Select Continue. Provide your phone number and a password. Accept the terms and agreement by sliding this little icon and then select Create Account. Enter your verification code. Now on this page, you need to create a PIN for your card. This PIN must be 5 digits. So select Create Now. You can enable Face ID for faster authentication. On this page, you can decide if you want to allow notifications or not. So I'm going to select Not Now. And then you can choose to verify your identity now, or you can verify it later. So here I'm just going to select Verify Now. Select Continue. Enter your email address. Enter the code which was sent to your email. Select Continue to Identity Verification. Choose the document is your country. Then select your identity option. So in my case, it's going to be passport. Select Continue. Allow camera access to continue. Now on this page, you'll be required to take a photo of yourself. So select Continue to proceed. It will automatically take the photo and then verify your identity. Now on this page, you can choose to open a personal bank account or a business account or even a joint account. So here we're going to select personal bank account. So once you complete the questionnaire with your address, select Update the address. Complete the other personal information about you. Once you complete the questionnaire, select Save Questionnaire and then select Close. Now you're all set to open your bank account. So you can open a personal bank account, a business bank account, or join your company's account and Paysera. And that's just about it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.